Most treadmills are built for running, but what if you want to walk safely at home, especially if you're an older person or recovering from injury or just worried about your balance? Well, today I'm testing the REDLIRO Senior Walking Treadmill that has extended handrails. It has ultra slow speed control, so let's get it unboxed and see if it's actually worth buying. So here's everything that comes in the box. Treadmill itself, handrails, the display, a user guide, tools and stop cable, and don't forget to activate your warranty. It's looking good. Let's get it put together and test it out. So, first impressions, this thing is clearly designed differently from a normal treadmill. The biggest thing you'll notice immediately is the long side handrails, plus the front support bar. Most home treadmills only give a small front rail, but this feels much more stable. So for seniors or anyone recovering from injury, balance confidence matters massively. So you've got your sturdy frame, flat walking surface, low step height, and easy controls. One of the standout features is the starting speed. This treadmill starts at just 0.3 miles per hour, which is incredibly slow compared to standard treadmills. That sounds tiny, but for seniors and rehab users or people rebuilding mobility, it's actually a huge advantage. You can gradually increase your speed, which is much safer than sudden acceleration. This feels more like assisted walking than exercise equipment. Let's just have a quick look at the different buttons we've got. So we've got the minus speed, so obviously if you want to go slower, or your plus for faster. You've got your different modes, and then you've also got your different programs. So even though this is suited for walking, as you can see, it can really get up to a good old speed of 5.5. You can even use the controls on the handrails to get the machine going or to stop it. And on the other side of the handrails, you can even control your speed. This is great as it allows you to control the machine without removing your hand from the rails. And remember, if you do get into some sort of difficulty, you've got your emergency stop. So remember, you can track your speed, the time that you've been on this, and even your calories. You can also use this little holder for your phone or tablet to watch things as you work out. Could be your favourite vlog, could be your favourite exercise video, could be music videos, whatever takes your fancy. So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Let me know down below. And you may be asking, who is this made for? And in my opinion, a wide range of people. From seniors, people recovering from injury, anyone that's worried about falling outside, and for anyone that just wants to get fit. And for a lot of people, staying mobile independently is the real goal. So let's give you some pros and cons. For the pros, excellent stability, ultra low speed, senior friendly controls, quiet operation, flat design, easier on joints. For the cons, it's fairly big, large footprint, premium niche product, but overall, it's a pretty great option. So overall, I think the REDLIRO understands the assignment here. It's not trying to be a gym treadmill. It's designed around safety, confidence, and stability and gentle movement. And honestly, there aren't many treadmills focusing on that market properly. If you're buying for a parent recovering from injury, or yourself, or simply want safer indoor walking, then this could make sense. So guys, if you enjoyed this review, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And if you're interested in this product, I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.